welcome to 2020 SugarFest, virtual SugarFest. We're coming to you live from West Baton Rouge Parish Museum. We're speaking on WBRM radio today. And so go to your icebox, get your favorite beverage, and get something to munch on and put your seatbelts on, because we're going to play some rockin' tunes for you, some old-time stuff. And this half-hour of music, this old-time music, it sounds better than it is, but
so there you have it.
Brought to you by Possum Fat. If it ain't cooked in possum fat, it just ain't cooked in possum fat.
And we don't have any on us, but we'll take an order from you. Take a check, too.
Go ahead. Woo! Yeah!
To welcome everyone to our show. We are the Reformed Cane Grinders, and we haven't played in a spell, and we've been dodging this terrible virus, and we'd like to put on a show for you today from tunes from way down in the Old South, like down here. The next one's called I'll Rise When the Rooster Crows. Is always a good habit. This will have singing.
Oh, those golden shoes that you hear so much about, if you wore them down here, soon wear them out. I'm gonna wear them to the altar, gonna get on my road and
put on my golden shoes.
I'll rise when the rooster crows, rise when the rooster crows. I'm going back south where the sun shines hot, way down where the sugar cane grows. Gabriel comes for to blow his horn. No need to pull back, for you got to go on. Prepare yourself for the great day where you can't take money and buy your way. Rise when the rooster crows, rise when the rooster crows. I'm going back south where the sun shines hot, way down where the sugar cane grows. Well, don't let old Satan try to fool you, or the gate will be closed and you can't get through. With my long white robe and my white socks too, I'm gonna put on my golden shoes. Rise when the rooster crows, rise when the rooster crows. I'm going back south where the sun shines hot, way down where the sugar cane grows. Cider in the fall, and we'll be going to the ball. Well, the duck chewed tobacco, the goose drank wine, the old hen cackled and the rooster kept in time. Rise when the rooster crows, rise when the rooster crows. I'm going back south where the sun shines hot, way down where the sugar cane grows. What you gonna do when the women all dead? I'm gonna sit in the corner with a hung down head. Yeah, if I had to marry again, I wouldn't marry for riches. I'd marry a big fat gal that couldn't wear no britches. I'll rise when the rooster crows. Rise when the rooster crows. I'm going back south where the sun shines bright, way down where the sugar cane grows. Oh, I'll rise when the rooster crows. Rise when the rooster crows. I'm going back south where the sun shines hot, way down where the sugar cane grows.
Ooh, how much fun can you have? This perspiration is making me sweat.
We love
But other than that,
sugar.
we're having a lot of fun here today over in Port Allen.
Now we'd like to play
Some real music.
We're going to play one call.
we're gonna play a tune that I learned from a Ludrin Darbone recording, the Crowley Waltz.
That's right, you know. Yes, boy, aren't those Cajun waltzes the prettiest waltzes ever? I love them. Next on our program, we will have a short lecture from Willie on, we'll after the next tune. We have another tune.
On stage.
We're supposed to be, so this is like an old-time live radio broadcast that you could hear back before the blues were blues, you know, the 20s and 30s. And
let's play a little Cutting at the Pint, then we'll change.
yeah, we're going to play another fiddle tune.
Perhaps, huh?
It comes from Charlie Wilson and his Hillbillies. It's called Cutting at the... around the kitchen till cook comes home. Who's been here since I've been gone? Put a little girl with a red dress on. Who's been here since I've been gone? Pretty little girl with a red dress on. She took it off and knock around the kitchen till the cook comes home. Who's been here since I've been gone? Same old girl with the red dress on.
Yeah.
Yes, boy, that was Cutting at the Point from Charlie Wilson and his West Virginia Hillbillies.
Now, we're going to start with an even older number than that. This goes by many names. The one a lot of people call it is Polly Put the Kettle On and We'll All Have Tea.
And we'll all have to.
Yeah, it's like at the square dance, it's right up near the top priority tune. believe I'm going to have a drink of liquor.
Yeah, all right. I think the kettle's whistling. That was a hot number, Buzz.
Yes, wasn't it?
We got Buzz Sibley on the fiddle, and we have Buddy McClure on guitar, and he's a multi-instrumentalist, but we're limiting him to, so far, just to the guitar. And his lovely wife, Faith McClure, and I'm Willie Sager, and we are the Cane Grinders. And for our next number...
Now would Willie like...
In our never-ending search for the unusual, the arcane, the old-fashioned, or the currently out-of-style tunes, we've come up with this one. Now, which one did you like?
You are going to swing Bully of the Town and entertain us.
This one goes back to when everyone traveled to town, they walked on the levee. So
back in the Mississippi River
there was
days
lots
of the old steamboats and the flatboats.
There was killing, maiming, and stealing just
here we
going
go.
on like now. But it's just 100 years ago, you know. So some things never learned. I'm looking for that bully that bully of the town. I'm looking for that bully can't be found. I'm looking for that bully of the town. When I walk this levee round and round, every night I can be found. When I walk this levee round, I'm looking for that bully of the town. Billy Bird. When you see me coming, raise your window high. When you see me leaving, just hang your head and cry. I'm looking for that bully of the town. When I walk this levee round and round, every night I can be found. When I walk this levee round, I'm looking for that bully of the town. Oh, Billy Bird. Oh, Billy Bird. When you see me coming, hang your window high. When you see me leaving, just bang your head and cry. Hang your head, looking for that bully of the town. We found the bully. When I walk this levee round and round, every night I can be found. When I walk this levee round, I'm looking for that bully of the town. Woo! All right. Thank you all so very much. That's good for my spleen. Moving on. Up,
That one makes my spleen hurt.
We have another tune that's collected way off.
Up in Hamburg, Mississippi.
That's right.
Man.
Faith and I, not long ago, went up to Hamburg, Mississippi, because this tune, Mississippi Fiddler played it, named it Going Up to Hamburg. So we got there and we told people, and it turned out we went to the wrong one. There's more than one Hamburg. So we have another trip planned to this one when we find out just what county it's in.
They serve
Okay.
famous, the
They
famous
call it going
hamburgers
to-
up there.
Going to Hamburg. Going up to Hamburg, pretty little lady. Going up to Hamburg, yes I am. Going up to Hamburg, pretty little lady. Going up to Hamburg, get me a dram. Swing, shame. Going up to Hamburg, pretty little lady. Going up to Hamburg, yes I am. Going up to Hamburg, pretty little lady. Going up to Hamburg, get me a dram. I'm going up to Hamburg, pretty little lady. Going up to Hamburg, yes I am. Going up to Hamburg, pretty little lady. Going up to Hamburg, get me a dram. That's life in Hamburg. That's going up to Hamburg. Surprise.
The Hog Trough Reel is one name this is known by.
And we've gone to the Four Corners to bring. All join hands and circle to the right. Swing halfway and back. Hop a bit, ladies. We're going to introduce another instrument to our arsenal.
A wonderful rag that get off your money.
Yes, here's that wonderful rag called "Get Off Your Money."
Another type of
from
tune for the string band.
That's us. We're string band.
We don't want to drag. So we're going to play a little of the Altamont. I think we are.
Is this thing on? Always wanted to say that. That's Altamont from way up in Altamont, Tennessee, which is another story.